Namaste. My name is Sonal Paladini with Sonal Paladini Yoga YouTube channel. This is a short morning flow that you can do on every Wednesday, which is a day dedicated to the planet Mercury as per Hindu mythology and also as per Vedic astrology. So, we're going to be doing flows specifically designed to bring up the energies associated with the planet Mercury in your birth chart. So, we're going to be focusing on clear mind, clear speech, and open throat. So, whenever you're ready, join me on the yoga mat. Namaste. Welcome to your Wednesday flow inspired by the energies of planet Mercury. We're going to be focusing on your throat chakra and also on your third eye chakra. So, you can bring your fingertips together in Hakini Mudra. Close your eyes. Let's start with focusing on the third eye, the point right between your eyebrows. Take a deep inhale. Let it out. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now stay here for a few breaths. Keep breathing at this nice slow pace while maintaining a focus between your eyebrows, your third eye chakra. Imagine dark blue light at your third eye chakra point, spreading all over your body, spreading wisdom, intuition, clarity, everywhere in your mind, in your body. Next breath, open your eyes. Inhale, arms up, look up. Exhale, turn to the right, twist. Enjoy this twist. Breathe. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, twist to the other side. Left shoulder rolls a little bit behind. Enjoy your twist. Inhale, arms up. Exhale to the right side. Second time here, maybe you twist a little bit deeper. Breathe. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, other side. Twist a little bit more deep today. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, bring your hands forward, forward fold. Let your head find the floor or your yoga mat. Breathe softly. Next breath, bring your head up. Bring your knees to the yoga mat, your feet right between your knees. Lean back. In fact, you can bring your feet together to make it a little bit easy. Bring your palms forward. Your fingers are facing sideways. We're going to be doing Simhasana, lion's breath, 3 times to open the throat chakra. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. So, hopefully that made you laugh. You can bring your knees together, bring your butt up. I will turn sideways so that you can see what I'm doing. Your butt leans up, your hands come forward. Inhale here, exhale, lean back. We are activating our thighs. Inhale here, exhale, lean back. Stomach contract. Inhale, exhale, lean back. 3, 2, 1. Hands come to the yoga mat. Inhale, open your chest. Exhale, contract your stomach. Inhale, open your chest. Exhale, contract. Inhale, open your chest, lean back. Exhale with cat, lean forward. Inhale with cow, lean back. Exhale with cat, lean forward. Inhale, lean back. Exhale, lean forward. Maybe your pelvis comes to the yoga mat, elbows are bent. Baby cobra, lean back. Inhale, lean forward. pelvis to the yoga mat, elbows are bent, shoulders roll back, lean back, child pose, lean forward like a wave, cat, baby cobra, shoulders roll back, 3, 2, 1, come into sphinx position, elbows directly under your shoulders. Now for throat chakra, we're going to be relaxing our neck a little bit, so let your head hang. Move your chin to the left side. Let your head hang. Move your chin to the right side. Once again, softly, gently to the left. Let it hang. Softly to the right. One last time. Let it hang. Left side. Maybe stay here for 3, 2, 1. Let it hang. Right side. Stay for 2, 1. Let your head hang. Open your arms. This time, elbows are in cactus. So your right elbow, cactus, 90 degree. Left hand under your left shoulder. Roll on your right elbow and stay here. Breathe. Enjoy this position. Next breath to the middle, left elbow in 90 degree. Make sure your elbow is directly in line with your shoulder and roll. So be mindful. Don't come too deep that you get suddenly a shoulder pain. This is a deep stretch, not only for your shoulder but also for your chest muscles. So please be mindful. Breathe here. Next breath to the middle. Baby cobra with inhale. Roll up, roll your shoulders back. Now, be mindful in baby cobra that you're not extending your neck back. You don't want to hurt the neck. Stay with a neutral neck and lean back. Inhale. Exhale. Come forward. Inhale. Cow position. Arms come forward and bring your chest to the yoga mat for puppy position. Anahatasana. And next breath, come back into all fours, tuck your toes, hips come up, downward facing dog. Lean your hips side to side. Right leg goes up, bend your right knee, bring your right knee more up, find your right foot from your left eye and bring your right foot between the hands, left knee to the yoga mat. Open your arms, arms up, 3, 2, 1. Hands to the yoga mat. Right leg goes back. Left leg comes up. Bend your knee. Look at your left foot. And then left foot between the hands. Right knee to the yoga mat. Arms up. 3, 2, 1. Hands to the yoga mat. This time, right foot comes up, forward fold. Let your neck hang. Hold your elbows, lean side to side. Maybe you bring your hands to the yoga mat and just notice how it feels when you elongate the spine. Inhale, exhale, deepen your forward fold. Inhale, elongate your spine, half up, exhale, deepen the forward fold. Inhale, elongate. Exhale, deepen. Stay here. Lean your butt back and gently bring your arms up. Inhale, exhale, namaste. Inhale, open. Look up. Exhale, forward fold. Right leg comes behind, right knee comes onto the yoga mat. Elbows open like cactus. 3, 2, 1. Hold your hands back. Roll your shoulders back. 3, 2, 1. Lean your shoulders a little bit forward. Tuck your right foot. Right knee comes up. Lean back. 3, 2, 1. Bring your hands to your waist. Straighten your left leg. Stay here. Inhale. Exhale. Lean forward. Both your hands come onto the yoga mat. Inhale, half up. Exhale, forward fold. Option, your right heel can stay up, or you can bring your right foot a little bit forward and come into pyramid position. Stay here for 3, 2, 1. Right leg comes up. Left leg goes behind. Left knee comes onto the yoga mat. Inhale, open your chest. Elbows like cactus. When we bring elbows like cactus, we end up opening the upper back a little bit more. So close to your neck. Hands come back. Roll your shoulders back. Inhale. Exhale. Tuck your left foot. Left knee comes up. Trust your balance. Come a little bit deeper in this position. 3, 2, 1. Hands to your waist. Straighten your right leg. Inhale here. Exhale. Lean forward. Hands to the yoga mat. Stay here in this modified pyramid position, or you bring your left foot forward. Forward fold. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Both your legs come together. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Arms up. Exhale. Open your elbows like cactus. Hold your hands together. Roll your shoulders back. Move your hips a little bit back. So this is like chair position. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Right foot stays on the yoga mat. Left knee comes up. Inhale. Exhale. Bring your left leg back. Left foot comes onto the yoga mat. Again, we are in the same position that we did before. 3, 2, 1. This time, lean forward. In humble, it's not humble warrior when the left heel is up, but it's more like a humble lunge. So we stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shoulders come up. Inhale. Exhale here. Bring your legs together. Roll your shoulders back. Bring your right knee up. Inhale. Exhale. Warrior 3 with hands bound. Right foot comes onto the yoga mat. Shoulders roll back. So, third time we are doing this position. Maybe you deepen it. We stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lean forward. Humble lunge. Both your hands come up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shoulders come up. Inhale. Exhale. Bring your legs together. Chair position with shoulders roll back, hands bound. Inhale here. Exhale. Open your hands. Flick water out of your hands. Breathe. Inhale. Arms up. Exhale. Forward fold. Bring your legs back. Plank position. Knees, chest, chin. Hold this. Knees, chest, chin position. If you want, you can bring your hands back and hold them. And stay here. Hands to the yoga mat. Baby cobra. Maybe that was extreme for you, but it is a nice position for the neck. Lean back. Child pose. Bring your shoulders up. Take a little bit break here. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. So that position was really deep for your neck. If it didn't feel good, you don't have to do these positions. So be mindful of how your body feels. Hands come forward. Hips lean back. Downward facing dog. Lean forward. Knees, chest, chin. Once again, either you hold knees, chest, chin, or you escalate it by holding your hands back. Hands to the yoga mat. Baby cobra, roll your shoulders back. 3, 2, 1. Lean back. Take a little bit break. Inhale. Exhale. So, let's do camel position. You can bring your blocks to each side to make camel position more accessible. Just make sure you have stable blocks. These are not cork blocks, these are foam blocks, so they are not so stable, but I'm used to them. So please make sure you have some stable blocks, otherwise when they fall, it's not so nice. Hands come back. Inhale here. Exhale, right hand comes on the right block, left arm comes up. 3, 2, 1. Hips lean back, left hand to the left block, right arm comes up. 3, 2, 1. Hips lean back, right hand to the right block, left arm comes up. 3, 2, 1. Other side. 3, 2, 1. One last time. 3, 2, 1. One last time on this side. 3, 2, 1. Come up. Either you can continue doing this or you can do camel. First option in camel, hands can find the yoga blocks. Second option in camel, maybe you don't need the yoga blocks. You can roll the shoulders back, lean back, both your hands find your feet and extend your heart. Again, this is a throat-based flow, but make sure you're not throwing your head back. Make sure your neck stays neutral. You don't want to injure the neck. Stay here. Maybe close your eyes. Enjoy the feeling of this pose. We stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring your hands to your butt. Lean your butt back. From here, cross your legs or stay in Vajrasana, whichever position feels good to you. Bring your hands in Dhyan Mudra and close your eyes. Once again, bring your focus to your third eye. As you inhale, imagine your third eye expanding. As you exhale, imagine the light from your third eye coming to your throat. Inhale, imagine it going back in circle to your third eye. The light from the third eye is dark blue. As you exhale, imagine the light goes back to your throat in a loop. Inhale, imagine the light from your throat goes to your third eye. The light from your throat is sky blue, light blue. Imagine, next breath, the light going from your third eye back to your throat in a loop. Dark blue light from your third eye goes to your throat. Next breath, light from your throat goes to your third eye, sky blue light. And keep breathing like this. Imagine this loop of light going in circle between your third eye, between your throat. With every breath, imagine you're aligning and opening your third eye chakra and your throat chakra. They are communicating with each other so that you're able to express your truth, so that you're able to tap into your intuition, your wisdom, so that you're able to not only express your truth, but also open your mind to knowing what your truth is, so that you can talk truthfully to yourself. Continue breathing like this while keeping a focus on both your third eye and on your throat. We're going to be chanting the mantra for Mercury 3 times. I'm going to type it here on the screen so that it's easy for you. Om Buddhaya Namah. Om Buddhaya Namah. Om Buddhaya Namah. Open your eyes. Imagine all the good qualities from the planet Mercury landing in you. So astrology is a little bit related to yoga, because in yoga we align with the energies of sun and the moon, and every time there is high tide, and that is all related to the gravitational pull of the earth and the moon, and we are mostly made up of water, so it can't just be moon. Imagine the effect in the energies, the mood, the perspective that other planetary movements can bring. So open your mind to the possibilities of astrology. It is not about horoscope. It is just about understanding the moods, the subtle shifts in the energy. So we will do Bhambri, which is the bean breath, to open your throat a little bit further. And it is a very nice breath to do at the closing of the practice to calm your mind. So bring your thumbs to your ears, your index finger to your eyelids, the remaining fingers on your face. We're going to be doing this. We're going to be doing 3 rounds. Inhale through your nose. With exhale, you hum 3 times. 3 breaths, 3 hums. Inhale. 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 Bring your hands together. Keep your eyes closed. Notice if there are any subtle shifts in the energy, in your mood, in your body, in your breath. Whenever you're ready, lie down in Shavasana. And this is your practice. I recommend you take a nice long Shavasana. Otherwise, thank you so much for sharing your time with me. I wish you the best. Please subscribe. Bye.